The Metaverse was always meant to be more than a virtual reality app. Despite the uncertainty surrounding virtual reality, one thing is certain: the Metaverse is here to stay. Here's how it could provide a hybrid blend of virtual and in-person experiences at work and elsewhere to shape the future of work. Are you prepared? Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. If you have been paying attention to the news, you have probably heard of the Metaverse. It appears to be the kind of reality you might see in a futuristic science fiction film rather than in real life, right? Can we collaborate in the Metaverse? Is it true that people want to work in the Metaverse? The global pandemic, which is now in its third year, has forced most of us to reconsider how we think about connectivity, experience, and collaboration, or at the very least, how we do these things. This has been difficult in some ways. We have missed celebrating with our families, spending time with friends, working out with fitness buddies, and brainstorming with colleagues face to face. In other ways, the pandemic has presented us with an opportunity to find new and, in some cases, better ways to live our lives. While FaceTime happy hours cannot replace the real thing, many people have discovered that working from home rather than in a physical office with team members allows for better work-life balance, rapid improvement of digital skills, and no cost to job performance. However, as the end of the pandemic approaches, we must decide how much of the old ways we want to return to and how much of the new ways we now value too much to lose. We find ourselves open to new ways of thinking about connecting with one another socially, professionally, in groups as audience members, or as opponents in a game. Exactly what Mark Zuckerberg asked us to imagine when he announced in December that Facebook would change its name to Meta and shift its focus away from applications and toward the broader ambition of the Metaverse. In a nearly 2-hour presentation video, Zuckerberg explains that the feeling of presence is the defining quality of the Metaverse. It is a place where we, as 3D avatars, can move freely, interact with others, and experience real-life scenarios in a virtual world that can be quite parallel to our own actual world thanks to the powers of augmented reality and virtual reality. Companies developing Metaverse are focused on creating new innovations and features that will allow users to interact with one another more efficiently and effectively. In the future, Metaverse companies will be at the forefront of transforming the digital world with immersive experiences. The Metaverse may be all about virtual worlds, but as businesses increasingly incorporate it into their business models, several job opportunities are emerging. Nike has posted 5 jobs in the last few months to help the company embed new hires for the Metaverse or related functions in what it calls its Technology Innovation Office. Balenciaga announced the creation of a Metaverse department in December of last year, and it is now hiring at least 1 new employee. The fashion house posted a job listing for a Meta Business Coordinator the same month. The Metaverse Business Director will collaborate closely with the Business Coordinator. NVIDIA is one of the most important companies for Meta to reach an agreement with the Metaverse market. It took an initiative to distribute free copies of Omniverse, a program designed for creating Metaverse-ready assets. NVIDIA is becoming a well-known company in the development of Metaverse by assisting artists and content creators in the creation of virtual worlds and products. The Metaverse company has a number of collaborations involving the sharing of Metaverse-related content. It will also assist users in creating customized avatars to bring their visions to life. With a significant wave of developments and innovation, Epic Games is at the forefront of large companies developing Metaverse. It also has invested in Spire Animation Studios to port story assets into the Metaverse, such as worlds and characters. Snapchat, one of the rapidly growing Metaverse companies, has announced the release of a new avatar lens that depicts how a user or player will appear in the Metaverse. This company is expanding Metaverse by releasing 3D Bitmojis. This update of virtual humans accelerates the Metaverse technology. Roblox Corporation is dedicated to creating a creator economy Metaverse while also providing an open gaming platform that allows players to create their own digital and interactive worlds. It is gaining popularity as a means of developing a business model for the metaverse. It offers a variety of games on its platform, some of which include virtual worlds where players can efficiently and freely interact with one another. Decentraland is one of the major companies working on Metaverse as a platform for content creators and businesses seeking a new artistic medium or a commercial opportunity. It enables users to create and monetize various applications and content while purchasing virtual plots of land in the Metaverse technology. First, there are Metaverse world designers. The Metaverse will be a virtual world that mirrors the real world. The main idea is to allow people to do things inside that they might not be able to do in the real world, such as visiting museums in different countries, studying at universities. The Metaverse, like successful games, will require a great interface and user experience to attract players to their world. This is where Metaverse world designers come in. They will be in charge of creating all aspects of the Metaverse, including but not limited to the user interface, game system, and game design. Companies will be looking for Metaverse computer scientists. Thousands of years of research and scientists still have so much to learn about our universe. Because the Metaverse will be a new type of universe, scientists will be needed to investigate and develop its possibilities. However, while physics governs the real world, ones and zeros govern the virtual world. Scientists in the Metaverse will investigate those ones and zeros to see how far XR can go. There will be marketers who work exclusively with ads in the Metaverse, just as there are marketers who specialize in social media advertising. To stay in the game and make a profit, every brand must advertise its product and implement marketing strategies both online and offline. The Metaverse will be no exception. As previously stated, some major brands such as Nike and Disney are already planning to enter the Metaverse world as pioneers, and they will require Metaverse marketing experts to assist them in presenting their brand in the virtual world. To successfully execute marketing strategies in virtual reality, Metaverse marketers will need to be well-versed in digital marketing with the Web 3.0 ecosystem. Even today, protecting yourself in the cyber world is a problem. Hackers will have a field day with Metaverse. Metaverse will require the next level of cybersecurity to protect the virtual reality from cyber attacks, data leaks, cyber thefts, and other similar issues. Metaverse cybersecurity experts will work in real time to protect the system from attacks. They will be responsible for detecting and preventing fraud, theft, and data breaches. This new profession will entail not only adhering to safety protocols, but also develop new applications and systems to help ensure the Metaverse's safety. To become a Metaverse cybersecurity expert, you must have some experience with regular cybersecurity and programming. The Metaverse has already arrived, creating and expanding human understanding of virtual reality. The Metaverse will usher in a new world order based on community. New professions and jobs are already being created, and yet this is only the beginning. Big brands and corporations are seizing these opportunities, and we will all be part of it sooner or later. The Metaverse will provide limitless opportunities for people all over the world to earn money and improve their lives. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.